Southern hospitality road right here, boy. Like, yeah, y'all come on down to South Carolina, y'all.
But I'm here this morning with Timmy and Greg, everybody's favorite South Carolina YouTubers, the Bearded Grump. We're at the rally. It's going to be the first full day. Greg tells us he's going to take us on a great ride, and after the ride down, which was fantastic, I have complete confidence in him. I'm looking forward to Timmy guiding me again and showing me where not to go and saving my ass so I don't go down in the sand. Gonna be a great video. Keep up, everybody.
Botany Bay, here we
Hell
come.
Yeah. We want to say thank you to Frank from One Old Man Riding for doing the intro for this video, but today we're heading to Botany Bay. It's a cool little natural wildlife preserve on the coast of South Carolina. Pretty cool natural beaches, a motor loop. It's pretty neat. So let's go check it out. Let's give you a taste of the South Carolina low country. So let's get after it. Hell yeah. We go to Botany Bay. Might as well go with the crew, huh? I think there's like 8 of us. 4 V-stroms, 2 BMWs, a DR650, a KTM 390, and a Yamaha T7. Good mix bag of group there. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Hey, yo, yeah.
Once again, GoPro inside of a media mod drops the audio, but right here we're heading across this bridge over to Edisto Island, heading to Botany Bay, which is one of the best beaches in South Carolina in my opinion. So if you ever get a chance to visit, I highly recommend it. There's no charge for being here. Just make sure you sign in at the gate.
You can't get enough of this road right here. This is like picturesque, making Southern hospitality road right here, boy. Like, yeah, y'all come on down to South Carolina, y'all. Come get you some home cooked meals. Sit on the front porch, eat you some boiled peanuts. This is like perfect, man. Look at this road, dude. This road is sick. That's why, like, you can't not get this on camera, and I'm sure people may enjoy it or may not. But if you don't think this road right here is cool looking,
It's cool.
yeah, and something's up, you know. Like, look at this thing. It's dirt and gravel and overhanging oak trees with Spanish moss with ferns all over them. What's not to like?
Yep.
I don't care what part of the country you're from. What's not to like in that shot?
Pretty cool.
Now we're in the parking lot, like I said, at Botany Bay. Ocean's right behind us, but it's a little bit of a walk. We'll go check that out. It's pretty cool. Like I said before, I think it's one of the coolest beaches in South Carolina, but we'll go check it out once we get all the group called up here. You see the group now back there. Doc, of course, has been with us. Timmy, Frank, Jay, Spaz, aka Carl. We picked up another one. Jay Wright is his name. Yeah.
What's happening, guys?
He's just tagging along with us today.
Our numbers are growing.
Yeah, every time we do another thing, the whole group of misfits adds one in. It's pretty cool little trail though to get down to the beach. Windy, y'all can't hear nothing, who knows. That area. Got a little shot walking up. I'm probably gonna be able to hear nothing because the wind's so crazy, but you'll get the idea. Maybe you can hear it a little bit. So I apologize for the wind. see. It's a really cool beach in my opinion. Y'all drop comments down below and tell me what you think about it. If you can hear my voice anyway. Super windy, but Botany Bay, beach at Botany Bay is awesome. Definitely awesome. Really cool. Beautiful. Oh shit. Timmy, what did you think of Botany Bay since the first time you ever seen it? You liked it?
Pretty cool shit.
Beautiful. Doc's first time too. Did you like it?
That was beautiful.
Frank?
Greg was absolutely right. It's gorgeous. All the driftwood, it's stunning. Absolutely something to see.
Jay liked it. You like it, Jay?
Nothing like that in West Virginia.
Yeah, see, he's always from West Virginia. You got to take him to the proper low country when you get down here.
Yeah.
I'm not from the low country. I don't get down here as much as I probably want to, but it's pretty cool. I'm glad everybody enjoyed it. I definitely did.
That's how you do it. Don't break loud on it. Yeah.
Well, that was a decent little trip to Botany Bay with the Island of Misfit Toys, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't think we're going to do the motor loop just because it is now 3:50 and Cheyenne is going to be cooking barbecue back at the Palmetto ADV Rally.
Yeah.
So we're going to get back, enjoy some good food, and give y'all some more shots. Like I said, if you had a chance, definitely visit this place. If you're down in the lower part of South Carolina around Edisto Island, well, it's pretty cool. And the motor loop's definitely worth checking out. I wish we could ride around and show y'all, but it's getting late. Definitely come down here and visit and take the motor loop. It's pretty neat. Definitely check out the beach. Just get a real feel of the low country of South Carolina with all these nice trees, Spanish moss. It's freaking awesome, to be honest with you. Hey, what time ain't awesome riding a motorcycle and not having to go to work? It don't matter what you're doing. So that's the best part. I hope y'all enjoyed that little tour of Botany Bay. Definitely appreciate you following along. If you hadn't already, hammer the shit out of that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be alerted when new content comes out. We'll see y'all in the next one.